The world of work has changed forever. What was once a trend, remote hiring, has now become a critical business strategy for companies worldwide. As businesses look beyond borders to find the best talent, one challenge keeps surfacing. How do you recruit, vet, and onboard international employees without draining your resources? That's where HR staffing services, especially Recruitment Process Outsourcing, or RPO, step in as game changers. The rise of RPO. What is it and why does it matter? At its heart, recruitment process outsourcing isn't just about hiring. It's a strategic partnership where you hand over all or part of your recruitment process to a specialized provider. But don't mistake them for simple recruiters. An RPO partner acts as an extension of your team, immersing themselves in your company culture, understanding your goals, and taking over everything from sourcing candidates to onboarding them seamlessly. In 2025, with global hiring becoming more competitive, partnering with an RPO provider is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Why outsource recruitment? Let's face it, hiring is expensive, time-consuming, and complex, especially on a global scale. RPO providers slash your cost per hire by tapping into existing talent networks and leveraging advanced recruiting technologies that most companies simply can't afford in-house. They also bring specialized expertise, often using AI-powered sourcing tools, market analytics, and applicant tracking systems that deliver better candidates faster. But perhaps the biggest advantage? Flexibility. With an RPO partner, you can ramp your hiring up or down without having to constantly restructure your internal team. Choosing the right RPO model. RPO isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Enterprise RPO is for companies that want full, ongoing recruitment management. Project-based RPO is perfect for short-term hiring spikes, like launching a new product or expanding into a new market. Hybrid RPO gives you the freedom to outsource certain tasks, like sourcing or screening, while keeping others in-house. Whatever your needs, there's a model that fits. The top HR staffing services for 2025. Let's now look at some of the standout RPO providers making waves in the industry, starting with the one that's rewriting the rules of remote hiring. HireBasis, the remote hiring revolution. When it comes to remote hiring done right, HireBasis is in a league of its own. Their bold promise? We search, you interview, you win. HireBasis helps you tap into global talent while saving up to 70% on hiring costs compared to traditional US-based recruitment. And you don't have to wait months. Within a week, they deliver a curated list of top candidates. What really sets them apart is their pay-per-interview model. You only pay if you decide to interview a candidate. And right now, it's free for a limited time. Plus, they simplify onboarding through trusted platforms like Oyster HR and Remote.com, ensuring compliance, payroll, and benefits are handled seamlessly. And even after hiring, HireBasis sticks with you, providing post-hire support to ensure success. If you want hassle-free, risk-free, and globally competitive hiring, HireBasis is the clear winner for 2025. Cielo, global reach, tailored solutions. With operations in over 113 countries, Cielo specializes in scalable recruitment strategies. They combine global reach with AI-driven talent analytics, making them a go-to choice for industries like healthcare, life sciences, and tech. PeopleScout, technology meets inclusion. PeopleScout stands out with its Affinix AI platform, streamlining every step of the hiring process. They're also known for championing diversity, including programs that help military veterans transition into civilian careers. Randstad Sourceright, the data-driven experts. Randstad combines predictive analytics with deep market insights, giving businesses a competitive edge in hiring strategy. They also go beyond recruitment, managing the entire talent lifecycle from employer branding to offboarding. WilsonHCG, customized, high-quality recruitment. WilsonHCG offers bespoke RPO solutions designed around your business goals. They focus heavily on finding candidates that align not just with the role, but with your company culture. Sevenstep, personalized recruitment with measurable results. Sevenstep uses market intelligence and analytics to tailor their recruitment strategies, ensuring measurable success for both startups and large enterprises. Korn Ferry, beyond hiring, into strategy. Korn Ferry goes deeper than recruitment. With consulting expertise and their nimble Recruit AI platform, they help design your talent strategy while automating high-volume hiring. Alexander Mann Solutions, AMS, authentic brand alignment. AMS excels at acting as an extension of your brand, especially in diversity and inclusion initiatives. They're a solid choice for organizations that want to improve both their hiring outcomes and their employer brand. Orion Talent, veteran-focused, results-driven. Orion Talent's roots in military recruitment make them ideal for industries like engineering and manufacturing. They deliver impressive results, like a 35% reduction in recruiting costs and a 15-day faster time to fill. Pierpoint International, tailored for mid-sized companies. Pierpoint crafts custom RPO programs for mid-market and enterprise clients. With a focus on brand alignment and diversity hiring, they offer both global reach and local expertise. Magnit Global, the contingent workforce specialist. Magnit stands out for managing contingent workers and independent contractors, offering a unified platform that simplifies sourcing, compliance, and payments. Hudson RPO, driving diversity and global reach. Hudson RPO is known for building inclusive, global talent networks. Their flexible solutions help businesses prioritize diversity without compromising on quality. Final thoughts. Remote hiring isn't just about saving money or accessing global talent, it's about making smarter, more strategic business decisions. And in 2025, finding the right RPO partner could be the difference between scaling successfully and falling behind. While there are many great options, HireBasis leads the pack with its bold, risk-free approach to remote hiring. If you're serious about building a high-performing global team without the headaches, now's the time to partner with a trusted RPO service. Ready to transform your hiring strategy? Start with HireBasis.